G'day there, Bart here from Bodjabart again. I'm just off to go and pick up something I bought on Trade Me for next year's project with the kids at school. And as you can see, I'm not going to be going alone. Shelby's here, ready to rock. I've got her gear with me in case, but you can't get out the door without her wanting to come. So we'll go and see what we've got out there, and the car's all, I've got the trailer on the truck, so we're ready to go. Right, here we go. Shelby's in, she's ready to go. We're off. Okay, Shelby, you ready to go? Hey, there she is. Hey, say hello. No, alrighty. Whoa, the lights are green and that car's just gone across. Jeepers. Have a look at this, people, look. There she is, just sitting there chilling. Hey, Shell, hey, good girl. The wind in her face, she just loves it. Right, we're here. Okay, we're here now and we've just picked it up, and now we're going to scoot off home. I might take Shelby to the park first, give her a run around. Alrighty, here we go. Let's leave. Okay. Oop, there we go. Right, let's go. Alright, Shelby. Oop, we've got a car coming that way. We're quite lucky. This nice man gave us some wheels for the project as well, some extra tyres actually. So how's that? That was cool. I'll show you the item that we've got when we get home. eh? You want to go for a walk? Yeah, look at her, eh? She's already wants to go for a walk. Rightio. Let's go. Rightio, g'day. We're back from our walk. There's Shelby. She's all ready to go home, aren't you, Shel, eh? We're back from walking around that park there, which is Hoonay Park, which I used to play rugby at. It's changed since I was a wee fella. But hey, let's get going. Rightio, we're back. This is what we've got, kids. Look at this. We've got a 1980s 185 Honda engine, which came off a trike. Well, that's probably there. This man's put it in this frame, so this will hopefully be next year's project in that cozy cub. And he gave me some spare wheels. Look at that. Isn't that good? So I'll get this thing off and go from there. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.